Hi. I emailed over that estimate of where I'm at with it.
I didn't see it.
Okay. I'm about $300 different from you.
Okay. So what's the differences?
They're not going to pay to deliver the vehicle back and forth.
Okay, so who wants to do that? It's part of the thing.
That's where I'm at. You're more than welcome to take it up with U.S.A.A. or the owner.
Okay.
That's fine.
So what?
The headlight and the brackets.
Okay.
On that. I mean, there's always differences, but you can just,
right, but you have to tell us why y'all can't justify it.
I'm going off of what the standard operating is
But okay,
I'm not a lawyer. I'm not going to. This is.
I know, but what I'm saying
I'm
is,
not going to have a further conversation with you. I'm sorry, sir. I wrote the estimate. I have my orders.
okay, let's go over your estimate line per line.
I'm not going to.
Why?
If you want me to
so
pay,
you just want me to go by what
your estimate is overzealous, and I'm not going to have.
How is it overzealous? Tell me.
Compared to Amato's,
so you don't even want to negotiate.
You don't negotiate. Last time I spoke with you, I'm not here.
So you're not going to negotiate. You're just going to say, "This is all I'm paying."
I
mean, basically, that's what you're doing right now. Is you're telling me you're not going to negotiate at all.
No.
This is all I'm paying. Blah blah blah. So tell me what's not justifiable. That's what I'm asking.
The owner, if he wants his money for the truck, he needs to present them to U.S.A.A. Thank you very much, sir.
So you're not going to negotiate with me at all? Not at all? Okay, I'll use this in court. The Fairest Claim Settlement says, and CDI says that you have to try to negotiate, and you're denying that you're going to negotiate.
It says you can sue and all these different things. Don't waste my time, sir. I'm not an attorney. Thank you very much.
What is your job to do? It is to go over the estimate. This is what we have to deal with on U.S.A.A. The guy will not negotiate. He will not even discuss or talk about the estimate. So, anyway, what was your name?
Meet you.
What was your name? What was your name? Okay. See you on YouTube.
Bye, buddy.
Thank you.